Okay, now let me tell you what records we all as a team have broken. Prem Ratan Dhan Payo has gone on in 4 days to become the biggest Bollywood film weekend, and worldwide we have done over 250 crores gross box office. Yeah, we need another one for that, guys. And it doesn't just end there. Not only in India, not only internationally. You look at the US, it's become Salman's biggest film. You look at the UK, it's become the biggest film. And just as a bit of an aside, this weekend in the US, we had a Brad Pitt and an Angelina Jolie film also released. And the good news is, our film has opened bigger than their film. That deserves another round. Okay, so with that, once again, I want to call the people who made this happen. And may I request Surajji to please join us on the stage. And a big round of applause for the man who actually had the vision to make the film.
Thank you so much, Vijayji, and thank you, Fox, for taking this film to such heights and so many countries. It's a simple film with simple Indian emotions. And thank you, everyone, for being here through all our journeys. It's a very big film for all of us. And to all those big families which are coming, I go to the theaters and I see everyone come with grandmothers and in-laws, and the happiness of that mother-in-law looking so nice, having dressed up, the son-in-law is getting me. But one incident I'd like to really share which really touched my heart, and that was, yesterday I'd gone to Gaiety Cinema, and there were Muslim ladies, and at the end of the film, one lady came up to me and she opened her hijab. She came up to me, she opened her hijab, and she shook hands with me and she said that the film is good. I can never forget that lady's face, because I know what it means to come and compliment a stranger. He would have been the maker or actor, whatever. And that was something which was very touching, and it's worth any amount of dollars or whatever. And a lot of blessings has come through this film. There have been a lot of youngsters for whom this film, I've been an uncle, so that's okay. I hope I'm able to appeal to them also. But so much thank you all the families, and keep coming and blessing the film, because someone has to make such movies. Someone needs to make such movies. Thank you. And now I ask Salman Bhai to come, who has been the backbone in all my good times, bad times, to have made me go further and further. No, make what you want. Make what you want. Come, Sonam. Come, Sonam.
You all saw the movie? Did you guys like the movie? Yeah? She was amazing. Yeah, pretty, amazing, beautiful, done so well, princess. No, seriously, she was really good. There's a huge improvement after Judwa, na? Even I noticed that. That from Judwa mein, we started off कि करेंगे क्या, वो दोनों में कुछ डिफरेंस ही नहीं नजर आ रहा था. सिर्फ बाल का एक सेंटर पार्टिंग था, एक साइड पार्टिंग था, वो ही. इवेंचुअली तो जूते भी सेम पहनना शुरू कर दिया मैंने. अब ऊपर कर लो या पैंट भी सेम. टू मच ऑफ मेहनत इन दिस. एंड हाउ टू, आफ्टर कमिंग आउट हिज फिल्म, that was last film was his film, and then after that to do Judwa. So then there was one step that the dance director at that point of time said कि ये step है, ये करो, ये. तो ऐसे हाँ कर रहा हूँ, one more cut. तो ऐसे क्या कर तो रहा हूँ, इतना ही आ रहा है बस. तो ऐसे अभी भी हम आपके कौन से निकल रहे, सूरज पर जाता कि हीरो यार.
So first of all, congratulations for the film.
Thank you, sir.
So you know, just now you said that you will try to make films appealing to the youth in the future. And your first film which you made, Maine Pyar Kiya, even today has a very modern touch and no one gets bored. So can we expect a out and out love story with Salman sir in future, if given a chance?
I will try my best, but that was when our times, जब संजय होते थे, राजेश होते थे नाम, जब फिर गौरव आए, so I have to really make what I really know. So for me, I really don't know what youth will want. I really need to make what I really want to make. And that was my, that is the, you know, I love to make a love story, and we'll make a love story, but it has to be something I really want to make. To appeal to the youth is not in my hands. You know, it's really not there.
And so
No,
another.
no, don't worry. He's not become uncle, and he was trying his best to make me uncle. We've seen that it didn't happen in this one. And the next one, I told him also, okay, we'll go a lot younger. Okay, ma, मैं first class pass हो गया माँ.
And so one more question.
Graduation की degree लेकर मैं टोपी उछाल रहा हूँ.
So, you know, like you and Salman sir said that there are many beautiful moments in the film which you had to edit because of the runtime. So can we expect them to be added in the DVD or when it is screened on television?
Yeah, definitely we are getting them ready to be put on the DVD. And they are lovely scenes. They are lovely scenes for both of them, and including him and the fun, and also lovely bondage of families. But then there is a length angle to it. As it is, people say it's long, so. But we surely want to get it ready.
अपना रिकॉर्ड तोड़ना is better than breaking somebody else's record. Okay, it's better than breaking somebody else's record. It's a really good feeling. That means आप fans के साथ, population के साथ आप भी grow हो रहे हो. नहीं, record तो टूटना ही चाहिए, किसी का भी हो. अब मेरा आके टूट जाएगा. I hope, and I hope not. But hope not is selfish. I hope is better for the whole industry. So I rather hope than hope not. And then I hope for me as well as for the industry that I come and break the other person's record. यहाँ पर मुझे हिंदुस्तान में काम करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है और हिंदी में डायलॉग बोलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सडनली इतने साल हिंदी में डायलॉग बोलने के बाद अंग्रेज़ी में बोलेंगे तो थोड़ा सा वेट लगेगा मुझ पर. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी हियर. वो बहुत काम करते हैं, हमको यहाँ पर इतना काम नहीं करना पड़ता है. वहाँ पर जाके इज्जत बनानी पड़ेगी फिर से. यू नो, यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी जब इतनी इज्जत मिल रही है तो काहे को उसको धिक्कार है. उसको इज्जत के लिए काम करते हैं, रिस्पेक्ट के लिए काम करते हैं. अब इतना साल लगा यहाँ पर इज्जत कमाने में, तो उसको क्यों, आई डोंट सी एनी पॉइंट टू.
कुछ लोगों को थोड़ी सी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हुई है मूवी से, मिक्स रिव्यूज भी मिले हैं, तो इसके बारे में आप दोनों को क्या कहना है?
सर वो तो होगा सर. वो कुछ लोगों को आप अच्छे लगोगे, कुछ लोगों को आप अच्छे नहीं लगोगे. यू नो, कुछ लोगों का आपका ये सवाल अच्छा लगेगा, कुछ लोगों को नहीं लगेगा. तो हमको इस वक्त आपने ये सवाल पूछा, हमको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. बट हर एक की ओपिनियन है, एंड वो ओपिनियन हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. जिन को ये फिल्म थोड़ी सी कमज़ोर लगी है, ऑफ कैमरा कुछ और बोलूँगा और ऑन कैमरा कुछ और बोलूँगा उनके लिए.
सूरज सर अगर आप भी ऐड कर.
ये कि नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल प्रूव, यू नो, दैट वी ऑल्सो शामिल यू इन आवर प्रेम घराना.
हेलो
सूरज सर,
हेलो
आप-
सूरज सर.
और जहाँ तक रहा आपका ख्याल, आपका सवाल, मेरा ये है कि ये जो हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इतनी बढ़ जानी चाहिए कि हमको उनकी ज़रूरत, वो कंपैरिजन ही नहीं होना चाहिए. ये चाहिए हमको.
सूरज जी, हाय सूरज सर.
अगर जैसे कि अभी सर ने, विजय सर ने बोला कि हमारी फिल्म ने उनके रिकॉर्ड तोड़े, तो ये सबको खुशी हुई ना. बस यही चाहिए हमको कि सब खुश रहें और हम भी खुश रहें.
हेलो सूरज सर, हार्टली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. Shall I please? Heartily congratulations to Suraj sir, Salman sir and Sonam ma'am. This film was shooted in Ahmedabad, in Rajkot, in Gujarat, and I am coming from Ahmedabad, a long way, and it got a success, playing garbas and.
It's all because of you.
No, not that.
No,
But
seriously,
this is
it's
my
all
com-
because of every one of you that this
Yeah,
film
yeah.
is deserving
This is
all
our
the
family,
respect.
yeah. This is media is our family. That's the thing.
This is my second film with Salman. Sawaria, but he was in a special appearance, Salman, in that film. But I don't understand numbers, honestly. I agree with you. I really don't understand numbers. मेरे पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ता कि ये क्या है, क्या हो रहा है. मैं हर रोज मुझे फॉक्स से फ़ोन आता है कि ये है. ऐसे ये अच्छी बात है कि बुरी बात है? तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. So I said, okay, so then everybody is congratulating me. But what I love is that I'm getting messages and calls from people who have never messaged me or called me in my life. And it's not from the industry, it's people not from the industry. And I'm getting lots of calls from abroad, Indians abroad who are watching the film and they're missing home so much. I think for me, that is the best thing, when something affects you emotionally in any way. So I'm only getting positivity, and that is overwhelming for me. And on a different scale, obviously, because this film has done those kind of numbers, so obviously बहुत सारे लोगों ने film देखी है. और social media में मुझे predominantly बहुत सारी negativity मिलती है, अभी सिर्फ positivity मिल रही है. So for me also that's really, really happy, and it's obviously thanks to Suraj sir and Salman and to Fox and everybody. So nothing to do with me, but I'm very happy.
Suraj ji,
Salman, you will be more open to do films like a family drama. In fact, like Suraj ji को भी
I've
कहूँगा-
started off only with मैंने प्यार किया
Yeah,
ना
I
तो
know, but अभी का trend इस तरह का
and
नहीं है. In fact, like,
even बीवी
सूरज जी
बीवी
ने
होते ऐसी
कहा-
was family drama. Even
लोग-
बीवी होते ऐसी was the family drama.